Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this is a video I'm very excited because if you see the chart for ticker symbol DARE, that stock was up by 10.5% today, and after hours it is up by another 37.6%. I'm recording this video at 7:30 p.m. so you can see these things are changing. So in total this is up by almost 48%, and I think it might move even more tomorrow. So in this particular video I want to talk about what happened, what is the news, at the same time what are the price levels you should be watching if you want to make some quick money on this particular one. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon and Discord family. If you want, you can join my community. You just have to pay $9 per month. Not a lot of money. Also, if you want to be a VIP, $25 per month, where you get more access. And just because of a Patreon, you will get access to my Discord. As an example, one of the Discord members not today, he was talking about Invax for last few days, and this thing was a monster today. It went by 23%. So thank you so much, that particular Discord member. Also PTN, this is another one, our Discord member recommendation. In last 2 days, that thing is up by almost 41%. Anyway, if you like this kind of alert for different ticker symbol with support resistance for day trading and swing trading, give a try, join my Patreon, and get access to my Discord. So let's go back to DARE. So just looking at the chart, you see it was flat 1.97. Something happened. It shoot up around 2.15, then stopped around 11:16 a.m. No trading, nothing happened. It was halted, right? And that at 4:45 p.m. it resumed, and we know we know that it will be resumed. So we did some trading after hours. So anyway, let's look at the news now. So the big news was at 4:50 p.m. I see here that they announced their FDA approval, right, of Zekiato. I don't know. Anyway, this is a vaginal gel as a treatment for bacterial vaginosis. Okay, so that's the big news, right? So you can go through, you can read, or you can pause. So basically, they got the FDA approval. If you want, you can go through the entire news. It's a big thing. You can read, but normally when there is some kind of FDA approval, things shoot up. So I'm more interested to look at the price action. So in terms of the price action, you see the average volume for this particular one is nothing, 4 million, and today's volume was 28.5 million. So first of all, it got 7 times more volume. So that is a very good thing, that thing spiked. If I go back to the after hour volume action, because the trading resumed at 4:45 p.m. Eastern time, so I'm also interested to see what happened after hour. So if you go to Market Chameleon, you can see after hour moves. Number 2 is DARE, where the volume is 21.7 million. So it moved after hour almost 35.2%. So this is a good sign that even after hour that thing has been moving. If I go to FinViz and I want to see the share float, I can see the numbers are big, 68 million. So it's not a low float stock that can move like 10 times, 20 times like other stocks. Sometimes I make videos, but it's a big float. The short float is only 2.57%, and the price target it is showing at 5.5. So that is the price target, does not mean it will go to 5.5. And also if you look at the chart since April to December, you can see it's a nice W-shaped recovery. So this is up to now. Now let's go back to the actual chart. So first of all, let's see what's happening, right? So when it resumed today, so on a 1 hour chart, maybe I'm gonna go back to 5-minute chart. So it was not moving, like after 11:15 I think it stopped, right? So it was around 2.12. Then some member in our Discord mentioned it will go back to 4.45. It will be unhalted. So right after that, you can see it opened around 2.76, went all the way to 3.1, tried to break 3.1 few times, couldn't, came down, but it did not go below 2.75 area, which is really good. And now moving sideways. Currently at this time it is 2.91. Many people over social media were talking about $6, $10, so many different things. But anyway, I do not want to give a wild price target or anything. I just want to show you what is happening. One thing could be it was after hour, and many platforms they do not have after hour trading capacity. Many people might not be following at 4:45 p.m. So many things can happen. We will see the pre-market, that is most important. If pre-market we see more volume and this thing will go higher, but just looking at this area 2.75 could be a support. Now you will see some other lines here. I'm gonna also talk about the other lines. So instead of a 5 minute, I'm going back to an hour. Let's see if I can catch something. Maybe 1 hour is not enough, but sorry, but I want to show some other lines. 2.45, 2.5, this is coming from here, right? So you can keep it here, or you can just talk about 2.65, or more conservative 2.25. Maybe this is better because you see 2.25 here, 2.25 here, right? Also, if I go down, I have something for $2 area, so you see more data point here. Okay, so the high, let's talk about the high. 3.87, that was the high sometime in January, right? So definitely if it can go over 3.1, 3.5 to 3.9, that will be one area to look at. Even though 3.9 was one instant, but you see some other candles. Sorry, I'm suffering from cold. But if you look here, you see some other candles here, right? So anything between 3.5 to 3.9 would be something to watch for. On the other hand, if you come down, as I said, 2.5, 2.6, maybe I'll just add one more in case it dips tomorrow. So I will come back to 2.6 again. So this is the 2.6. So on the downside, we have 2.75, 2.6, 2.2, and 2 and more. And if I go even beyond that, I can go all the way. I looked at the chart on a daily chart. I can go all the way, but I see a stock split here sometime in July 2017. So before its stock split, I'm not going there. Maybe it's too far. But if you consider between July 2017 to now, I think this is the top. 3.5, 3.8. So for this one to go like $5, $10, $15, I do not want to go because there might be very lots of bag holders. They're just waiting for 3 years maybe, and whenever they will get a chance, they will just unload. So that is one thing from my end. Now I want to go back. I'm just showing you realistic price, but if you see last 3 days, you see nice volume. Maybe people knew about the upcoming FDA approval. It was slowly grinding. It's not crazy, but slowly grinding. Okay, now if you want to establish a position, you have to see few levels. First of all, the level around 2.75, right? So 2.75, if it can hold, this is good. If 2.75 can be hold, I will look for 2.6 and 2.2 area. On the other hand, if it can go over 3.1, if it can open over 3.1, 3.15, maybe we will go towards 3.5 to 3.9 area. So again, we have to see pre-market, and that is why you need to watch the market. If you want, you can just put a limit buy order at 2.7 with a stop loss. It's up to you. But if you want more updated chart pre-market, then this is the place. I always talk, I give alert pre-market during market hour, even after hours, before I go to bed as well. So give a try, become a patron, get access to my Discord, where not only me, many different people, they bring different stock. I give my alert. It's a big community. You will get alert like almost each and every hour at least. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try, become a Patreon, and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.